Hi, this is Sean here, your RSA approved driving instructor with PassFirstTime.ie, Ireland's online driving school. Tip number 20 of 30. What discs do I need on my windscreen on driving test day? This is more important than you think, because the amount of people who have difficulty even moving from the test centre because there is a problem with one of their discs is a lot bigger than people perceive. So pay close attention to today's video. You need tax insurance, and if your car is of a certain age, you need an NCT disc. Let's start with the tax. Tax is straightforward. You need a current valid tax disc. Make sure that it is the latest disc. I've seen it numerous times where people have actually taxed their cars, but they have forgotten to put in the new tax disc. We all do it. We've all had this problem at some stage, but it's a serious problem on a driving test because you won't be taken out. Check your current tax disc. Insurance. Again, valid insurance disc is necessary. Some things to check. I've seen before that the reg number in the car can be out. This is normally a clerical error from the insurance company, but a driving examiner won't take you out if the reg number on the insurance disc does not match the reg number of your car. And also make sure that the green strip on the side of your insurance disc is visible. And the last one is an NCT disc. Again, current and valid is what you're looking for. Any car over 4 years has to be NCT'd. If you're in doubt as to whether your NCT or your car is due for an NCT or not, you can check it actually on the NCT website. It's very easy. You just key in your reg number and it will give you the date of when your car needs to be NCT'd, is due for an NCT. So just make sure that all 3 discs are valid, up to date, tax, insurance and NCT. If you are doing your driving test, the best of luck with it. Check out our course at PassFirstTime.ie. We have tip number 21 coming up tomorrow. So like, subscribe, click the bell and you will be notified when we do upload the next video. Till tomorrow's video, safe motoring. Want to pass your driving test first time? Check out our pre-test driving course, saving you time, money and giving you the best chance of passing first time with RSA approved driving instructors, short, easy to follow video lessons covering all topics: reverse, turnabout, marking sheet, dual carriageway, car checks, bonnet checks and a whole lot more to help you pass your driving test. This is your 24/7 driving instructor. Check it out today.